Maintain a consistent expansion gap of at least 1/4 inch around the entire perimeter of the bathroom to prevent buckling as humidity changes. When installing vinyl plank flooring in a bathroom, start by measuring and planning the layout so seams fall in low traffic areas and the last row is not narrower than 1 inch. Use 1/4 inch spacers between the plank edges and the walls as a baseline, and consider increasing to 1/2 inch where manufacturer guidance or wide seasonal humidity swings suggest more movement. Keep the gap continuous around pipes, cabinets, and thresholds by cutting planks or using small shaped spacers so gaps do not close in spots. Stagger end joints using a minimum offset of 6 inches from adjacent rows to reduce concentrated movement along seams. After fitting and locking the planks in place, remove all spacers before reinstalling baseboards or quarter round to allow the floor to expand unobstructed. If you encounter irregular walls, scribe the first and last row to fit while preserving the space for the expansion gap rather than forcing planks tight to the wall. The most common mistake is leaving no gap at the wall, which causes buckling as humidity rises. Always use consistent spacers and check gaps during installation. Cutting planks too tight around pipes and fixtures can pinch the floor, so drill slightly oversized holes, or use small cutouts and sealants that still permit movement. Relying on the baseboard to hold the floor down hides poor gap practice. Remove spacers and then reinstall trim so the trim conceals the gap without restricting expansion. We run bighomeprojects.com, where we help homeowners connect with local contractors and trade knowledge related to flooring and other projects. We also host a discussion community so we can share tips, ask questions, and help contractors find new work.